Alright. Me that traffic, so I can't weigh in for some little thing when I say I go on to Jamaica. Don't think me just live for Jamaican people, because that me do. Me weigh in for things just like everybody else. When I start waiting now. Alright, something that I say I go on a yard. I say big up Bounty Killer. I said big up Bounty Killer. It's like you're a prophet. Real Bounty Killer, you're a prophet, and for a long time I respect you. Because you do a thing say I can't believe my eyes. You understand? And most of what you say I come out. Alright, let me tell you what I try to talk about. I talk about the L.A. Lewis and the Ninjaman and the whole saga. When I see them go on, I'm going to touch them up little. And I'm going to show you something we are going on. When Bounty Killer saying can't believe him eyes, and a lot of people are saying, wait, but watch you now. Ninjaman, I have a problem you because you want to look at pussy. To me see you set the thing, and I can't tell you that. And when I go say this, I'm going to tell you this. Big and say, I give you interview upon Winsford Williams. Go back and listen how you shade your son. And I shade him and I shade him and I shade him. And you see him like a dirty mouth. You with a little dirty mouth. I said, L.A. Lewis and your son, boyfriend, what kind of thing that you take up, youth? As a big ninja man, I respect over everybody. My youth, come on, man, do better than that. So you're going to tell me, say, your son, give your son-in-law, real ninja man. You have a little fussy man. Ninja, before you say your son let you down real bad, you know say that you say every man have to go up and say like every man go up and do what they want to do. Youth, when your son go wrong, and your son see him with you, yes, but you have to come out to the people and say in low, and you never expect that of your son. But anyway, let me tell you, you go wrong. You see me? L.A. Lewis, let me tell you something, man. Well, I don't know Yawa. But if Cartel did die, you couldn't out the road. You wait till Cartel go to jail before you come back. You're the last like a shoes, you. Let me tell you something, you. You and Ninjaman and his son are cool and leg of them thing there right now because you know so you think kind of nasty up. Right, that's how you think kind of nasty up. I don't ever listen to yourself, you know. You don't think kind of nasty up and a full time for you stop. You see me? You know in a music, but I show Bounty Killer and Beanie Man. Guess what? I them fuck up music because them love it to Cartel and make Cartel fuck it up. And bring it on one bag of waste man that look it into popcorn could hold all the strength. And I keep it going on popcorn and not too much dirty music. You get to me? I say, the man music them alright. That's how some look of idiot coming on music like Gully Bop and Gully Bop bust chin, and then all of a sudden Gully Bop was a madman, and the madman, yo, listen to me, what I want to know, too much madness in the music right now. We don't make no song no more. We don't make foreign people that take over on real reggae music and do it. All white people that DJ all overseas and start sound better than Uno and start put better thing to them Uno thing. You get to me? I say Uno come like a Rasta them with the sell out the belt and teach white people how to make belt. And then they nothing but I come back to Jamaica again. When they see the belt, them say Macy's, the same Rasta belt. Yo, Jamaican, Uno take a hold on yourself. Uno are nasty upon yourself. Artists uno are nasty upon yourself. Let me tell you that big man thing. Uno really are nasty upon yourself. You look a filthy Ninjaman and L.A. Lewis and Gully Bop with the Mad Woman and the whole one. Let me tell you something. A bill enough a bill, man. Bill enough a bill and set back the thing. You hear me I tell you now?